card die set. The price is ridiculous. Even if you went on Stamps of Life's website and you got something even close to being similar to this, you would probably pay closer to $30. And all you guys know that follow this know this is a great deal. It's exclusive here. It's only $19.95. 2 payments of $9.98. This is ideal for birthday cards, thank yous, scrapbooking, home decor, whatever it is. You can add the FlipIt style to it with all the fun paper and all the great details. Stephanie Barnard is here. It's good to see you.
Nice
I haven't worked with you in a while.
I know, it's been a while.
I don't get to do a lot of crafting shows. It's like, I'm like on the outside. They're like, well, we have all these other great crafting hosts, but Guy's pretty good, but when I come in, you know it's something special. Right?
It is very special.
It's gonna be very special today.
Yes.
But you outdid yourself with this because like you said,
very excited about
the price is great for all the fun things you get to do. And I love the FlipIt cards. They're so
Aren't they
great.
fun? Here, you can hold one too and show us how easy peasy it is to do. Now look at that. It's all about interaction and it's all about fun. So what I did was I designed this a kit exclusively for the viewers at HSN. I put all of these pieces together. I personally designed these, so I'm really excited about that. And the best part about it is it's easy peasy, it's less than 5 minutes, and anyone can do it. And so much that anyone can do it, Guy, you're gonna do one for us later, okay?
As we said, it's great for beginning crafters or people that are just getting into it or people that maybe don't have a ton of time to spend on it, but they still want something to look great.
And it's gonna wow. When you give a card like this to someone, they're gonna open it and say, whoa. And my brother is an engineer and he always goes, how'd you do that? How'd you do that? Wait a minute, I don't understand, how do you do that? And I say, you know what? I take my knife and I cut it and it takes about half an hour and I put it together and then I mess up and I redo it. No, 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 no. I have dies that do this all for you. So you don't have to worry about, oh, does this do, how does this line up? What does this do? Let me show you how easy it is to do because it's so easy. You're gonna run this through your standard die cut machine. You can use your Gemini, you can use your Big Shot, any machine you have, it's gonna work. You're gonna run this through the machine and it's gonna die cut it and score it for you at the same time. So you don't have to worry about anything. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna run these layering dies through. I'm known for my layering dies. I always make sure that you have those layering dies because that way you know everything's gonna go together. So I'm gonna move all those over real quick. We're gonna make one really, really fast. I'm gonna add my adhesive to this. The hardest part I always say about these is picking out the papers because you want to have these fun papers on there.
And so that's the color is the part that shows your personality and stuff, but all the hard work you've done already.
And you'll notice that I have pink all the way around. Now, when you fold your FlipIt cards, every single FlipIt card that I've ever made, you're gonna always fold them the exact same way. You're gonna hold it in the air with the big bottom, little top. Big bottom, little top. You're gonna fold it in half towards you. Then you're gonna take that top flap and fold it up on the score lines the die created. I didn't do anything there. It was already there for me. And there is my FlipIt card.
There's your FlipIt.
Isn't that easy?
And then that can become
Look at that. And now you're gonna decorate. Now it comes with, thank you. It comes with happy birthday. Let's just add the little thank you. We're gonna add that right there to the center. And then we can even add some flowers because it comes with some flowers. It comes
all those dies are included,
15 dies.
15 dies are included to do everything that we're doing here.
Yes.
Again, I can't emphasize enough the deal that you're getting on this today. Like we said, if you went on Stamps of Life on their website, first of all, you wouldn't get these designs because they're exclusive, but even something similar is more like $30. So take advantage. It's only $9.98 on FlexPay. Remember, it's only $5 to fill up your whole cart with shipping. So if you're buying lots of stuff today, it's a really good day as we're celebrating Crafting Month. I love the little flowers that you put on there.
Aren't those adorable?
I mean, look how much these cards have.
Yes.
Now, you said the Gemini machines, is that like, because I know isn't there like, there's a small Gemini machine? There's the Junior, does it work on the Junior too?
As long as it has a 6-inch opening, I'm not familiar, we'll have to ask Sarah. We'll ask Sarah.
All right, well, we'll keep you posted on that too. So, but look at all the fun too, and I'm not, I mean, because I've worked with you before.
Yes.
You know, I like to do crafting, stuff like that, but I'm not the most patient person, so sometimes I just want to do something fast.
Right.
So I can get this done, and yet it still looks original.
Birthdays come up all the time, and we're always forgetting, and we're like, oh no, I gotta get a birthday card in the mail before the mailman comes. Now you can make a card in less than 5 minutes. It comes with this cute little booklet with extra ideas on it and instructions. Don't worry. If I went too fast for you, don't worry. It's all right here in this cute little booklet that we made for you, so you know step by step how to make all of these cards. Now, they don't have to be happy birthday. They don't have to be thank you. You can make anything. Here's a little one for welcome little one, for a baby. Here's a Christmas one. You can add a little cute little Christmas. It comes with extra dies. You can decorate it any way you like. So once you get this home, the most important thing you're gonna have to do is, oh, what paper do I want?
Right.
Then the rest is all there done for you.
And you can use all your bits and pieces if you're trying to create things too. But what I love about it is that you have sort of the initial message on the front, and then you open it, and when you flip it, you have the backup message there. So like, it could be like, hey everyone, and then it's a surprise party. You know what I mean? Like, you could do stuff like that. So it really allows you to be creative without spending a ton of time to do it. Not all of us have, you know, hours where we can sit down and work on our craft. So sometimes it's like we said, you know, somebody's done something nice for you and you just want to give them a card. Or maybe you find out one of your kids is going to a party and they have no time to get to the store to get a card and you want something original that you can make yourself.
That's true.
This is the kit that you want. If you've never shopped with us before, FlexPay just means we take the $19.95 and cut it in half. So you only pay the first part, you get it home, you enjoy it, you love it. The next month you make the other payment and you're good to go. Shipping and handling, remember, is $5 max today. So today is the perfect day to be shopping with you. And we're just kind of scrolling through and showing you the different things you can do.
Yes, absolutely. It's so quick and easy. Do you want to make one real quick?
Yeah, I got 34 seconds.
Oh, I can make a card in 30 seconds.
I want to watch you do
right
it.
here.
Okay.
So you're going to grab these pieces, grab your adhesive over there.
Okay.
You're going to add your layering pieces, so just add some adhesive to the back of that. That's plenty. That's good for now.
Okay.
And you're going to flip that over and lay it down. So simple to do. Look at that, right there. Close enough, close enough. We're going to flip this one over right here.
All right, let me get some.
And you're going to add some adhesive. There you go. And the nice thing about this is everyone's gonna save these cards. They're gonna save these cards forever because they're gonna love them so much. Now we're gonna add a circle to the inside, to the center. Look at that.
Kyle, you be patient, my producer.
He's like, hurry up.
What about a candle?
Okay, add a candle to that. Add a candle right there. Yeah, definitely. Look at you go. See? If Guy can do this, anyone can do it, right?
Yeah, exactly right.
Look at that. Now just show everybody at home. That looks fantastic.
You ready? Happy birthday.
And then you can write your little message on the inside.
I'd put a picture of me right there.
There you go.
That's what
I'd be smiling.
My picture right there. Stephanie, that was awesome. That was so, I made a card in like 11 seconds.
There you go. Can you beat that?
Oh my goodness, that was wonderful. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, Guy.
Very busy right now. Order them while you can. It's only $19.95. I wanted to remind you, being a